What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another sneaker review with me, your boy Drew. I appreciate you stopping by and peeping this video. If you like what you see, if you want to see more of this type of content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, if you like this video, you like the shoes, you like this type of content, go ahead and do me a favor and assault that like button. Go ahead and give him a good bah, bah, 1, 2. Go ahead and hit him. He don't mind, and honestly, I wouldn't mind either. So go ahead and do that for me, folks. Without further ado, let's hop into the shoe. Now, this shoe is actually a woman's shoe, so you may be surprised. Well, your favorite Jordan is a woman's shoe? Yeah, the colorway, the way it looks, everything about this shoe I completely love. But yes, it is a women's shoe, so that means it was only released in up to size 12 in women's, which is equivalent to 10.5 in men. Luckily, I am able to fit a 10.5. I prefer 11, but I can fit 10.5, and since I absolutely had to have this shoe, I had to cop it. Now, this shoe came out a couple years ago in 2021, so it has been out for a few years, so it's not a new release by any means, but again, one of my favorite Jordans of all time, the Jordan 11 Low Citrus. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, the first thing you guys may notice, as I mentioned before, this is a woman's shoe. So it comes in the white Jordan box. As opposed to the black ones that the men's come in, this comes in the white Jordan box with the gold silhouette on the top because it is a woman's shoe. So let's open the box up. We have the white and gold paper as opposed to the black. Again, women's shoe, you get all the white packaging. Look at these. Look at these shoes. All right, guys, let's take a look at this shoe in a little bit more detail. Starting from the outer sole, we have this orange, bright orange. This is where the name Citrus comes from. It is orange, very bright. The original release of these, the orange was not as vibrant. It was a little more muted, but this is very bright. But you guys know me, I like bright colors, and my favorite color is orange, so this is actually perfect. You have the orange and black carbon fiber right here on the bottom. Moving to the upper, we have the classic Jordan 11 patent leather all the way around. It is the patent leather all the way around the shoe. It is all white as well. Same with the leather. It is also all white. Now, this leather, I think it's a synthetic leather. I don't think it's authentic here, but it does feel really nice. It does feel like a pretty nice, soft leather. The tongue is also leather. This is a little different than most of my other Jordan 11s. Most of my other ones have the mesh type feel. Tongue also with the mesh inner, but this is leather, so it's slightly different, which I kind of dig. I like it. The laces are standard Jordan 11 laces, like the basketball netting type material, although these do come with a second set of laces. These come with a slightly more feminine looking lace, which I'll show you guys here in just a second. And then around the back, we also have the orange Jumpman with the 23 on the tab. And on the inside is orange. And you guys can actually see those laces I was talking about. So here you go. They're just white laces. They're different material than the original, than these Jordan 11 laces. They're, like I said, slightly more feminine. I'm not gonna use them. I'm gonna use the original 11 laces. I think most people who got this shoe are also gonna use the original ones, but they are nice laces to have as an extra pair if these get stained, or, you know, maybe another pair of my shoes get stained and I can use them. So pretty cool, white pair of nice laces. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 of this shoe, then we're gonna go ahead and head out to the arcade and take a look at these on feet. Boom. Very nice looking shoe. Again, I like this shoe a lot. Orange Jordan 11, you can't get much better in my book. So let's go ahead and head out to the arcade and take a look at these. Ooh, that about wraps it up for me, folks. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this something you guys like? Do you guys like the white and the orange? Do you like the 11 low in general? Let me know what you guys think. You guys know I like this shoe. I like the color, I like the design, I like everything about it. But let me know what your thoughts are down below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I don't know. Let's hear it. But guys, that's gonna do it for me. Until next time, deuces!